Hello everyone. My name is Linda Guno. I am the CEO and founder of Linda's Perfection Creations. Linda's Perfection Creations is an event planning and wedding decor company. We cater to small and large events in and around the Philadelphia area. We handle full service, partial, month of coordinations, custom events, pretty much anything that need planning and decor, we handle it all. I have many years of experience in the wedding industry. We do destinations wedding, we do corporate weddings. Recently I have extended my business to doing open a location in Chicago, so I'm really excited about that. That's something. It's a new territory that I'm going to start working. So for all the Chicago's brides and wedding, look forward to seeing Linda Perfection Creations in your city. Um, so today we're going to continue on unique things that you can do for your wedding. Yesterday we talked about doing having keepsakes, something that you can cherish, having your favorite press part of it, doing custom bow tie for a bridal party to wear, doing a family style setting, intimate setting for your dinner, having a custom things made for your groom or your bride. We also talk about having very cute, unique pictures of your guests as the seating arrangement that it can pick up and use. And then also we talks about having different seating arrangement for your ceremony, so it don't always have to be theater style. You can do it in the oval, you can do it in a circle, you can make it as unique as you want to be. So today we pretty much gonna move forward um to end the rest of the thing. So today we're gonna start with, as the song goes, shake it like a Polaroid picture. I'm not a good singer, so don't get me there. But you can also do in your cocktail hour space while your guest is waiting or bringing it around. You can have cute pictures of you and your spouse, like from younger age, that it can cruise out and look at it so cute. You don't have an embarrassing photo, but sometimes embarrassing photos are the cutest one. Something unique that it can look and try to identify who is who with different pictures. Just to more, entertain the guests or something like that. We all have those pictures. Unfortunate to have those pictures. Some is not something to want to share, but you can do that as well. And also another one is that you can be a mask maker special, which I love. You can decor the chair with garlands, and other things that people can play roller coaster, like the old age where, back in the Victorian era, where you want somebody you feel that you think is best for each other, you can kind of set them next to each other and put like a matchmaker chair or something like that where they can sit, and then kind of like a speed dating thing, but not a speed dating thing. That's not a best choice of words to use, but you can decor a chair of the person who's sitting in that chair, and with the garden, the sign, and put like a matchmaker on it. And then the key people will play a role. So, and but sometimes you got to be very careful because some of your friends might think that's embarrassing, but you can have the seat with crowns and flowers and just make it unique. And then, trust me, anybody can sit in there to make it fun. And also, you can do a snaky engagement. You can have like your decor set up from like blueberries. You can do like a note card on each table to let people know, and you can and have a little explanation of what it is or how to bring people into your engagement hall, because you can understand not everybody was invited to your engagement. Sometimes was surprised, sometimes was thing, but there's something to tell the story of how this day, what made it become the day, some unique things. And then also you can do, which is something that I love. You can choose your glassware that fit your wedding theme. So your glassware can be as beautiful as you need it to be. If you go down from crystal, if you're doing a garden theme, to make it unique and let it stand out and people look at it. And these things don't have to be expensive. You don't have to always be fine china. You can do fine china if you want. You can get something from the flea market. You can get something from the dollar store. You can get different things. Ross, all these in the Target. They have some unique custom fine. Even sometimes you can go to these little places that you can find unique things that kind of go with your class. So if you say you're having a night out in Paris, you want your dinner wear and you're trying to represent that. You can't say you have an outfit something in Paris and then it just, besides the centerpieces, it don't look like that. So you want to have everything correspond to make it look beautiful. And then this is something that I really love. a special heirloom, so always remember those. So you can have a pure picture of your grandmother, your mother, the engagement ring you can use as a center, and the people that pass, you can have it on your table. People that in like a chair can be put aside for someone in the family that means something special to you, or if you have a parents or grandparents that pass and you want to incorporate into the ceremony, you can do that. You can wear your grandmother veil, your mother veil, your mom, different things that you can add to it, to make it unique and have those special heirlooms a part of your ceremony that will walk and to set a story. That's a confirmation piece, and you just start talking and to share the story of it went. And one thing that I love about wedding, couple who like the personality shine during the wedding, I think it's always unique because it's your day. Yes, tradition is always good. Sometimes we want to do things a certain way, but this is your wedding. Make it the way you can add goofy photos, you can have playful touch, you can add your personality so when people see it, from anything you want to add into it, make it your own because this is your day. You invested so much money and so much time. You don't want to go somewhere and then it turn out to not be what it is that you want. Yes, glaze, glams, luxury is always good, but sometimes I think when people think intimate, they think small. It don't necessarily have to be small. Like, for example, you can have a limited amount of guests and spend way more money than when you have 150 and 500 guests. People just think the bigger the guests, the bigger the budget. No, that's not always the truth. You can have something very intimate, not necessarily mean small, and still have more. And that's what people don't understand, because sometimes when you have smaller guests to your wedding, you have a lot more budget to do a lot of things. But when you have these big elaborate wedding, sometimes you push your budget 10. You have to cut certain things because you have to accommodate all these people that come in, and you it costs a lot. And sometimes you cut out certain things that you really do want. So sometimes it's always good to think about that when you're planning your wedding. Yes, having all your family and friends, that is great, but you have to understand, with all these guests, cannot my budget accommodate all of this, and would I be able to get everything that I want and not be cut off? So that's something you want to think about. And also you can do little artsy thing, for the art lovers. You want to inspire your big day with your favorite painting, with the menu, and no suggestion based on many canvas and easel and Esco cards, just to showcase that artistic side for you. So you can do that, and it showcase that creative side. So once again, it go back to making your wedding your own and making it unique. And then also your wedding centerpieces. It don't always have to be these big flowers in these tall glasses. It don't have to be candles going over the place. You can make it unique. You can make it as small as you want to. You can make it as large as you want to. You can make it as unique as you want to. And trust me, it will sure stand out more than you think. So don't limit yourself and think, oh, well, I always have to keep up the Joneses because they got this whole wall full of flowers and everything. Yes, flowers look nice, but those are not the only thing. You can make it look elegant any way you can. Sometimes you might end up spending more money than all of that. So make it as elegant as you need it to be and more creative as you want it to be on your side. And also, your sweet, be creative with your sweets. You can make it look like a pastry. It can be waffles. I know that people have waffle for dessert. That has a nice place. I can't think of the name right now. They have that, and it is really good. So you can have different sweets to your menu. You can also have the night of something old to something new. You can do from linens. You can operate old furniture. You can operate to your wedding cake. That cabinet feels. Let your personality shine. All of this is about, this whole unique is about your personality. And then in a custom artwork, you can have custom thing made to what it wants you wanted to make, from stamps to label. You just name it all and have it there. And most importantly, you can pay a tribute to somebody that you love. And a toast to your mother for the great things that they done, your father, your longest friends, the longest couple that kept you guys together, and everything. And last but not the least, your place cards and envelope and setting. You can make each guest setting so beautiful. You can make it unique to cater to each guest. You can make the menu cards cater to their menu choice. There's a lot of things you want to do. And the one thing I want you guys to take away from all these things that I talked to you guys in the last couple of days is that no matter what, this is your wedding. Don't stick within this box. You can go outside the box, be as creative as if you need to be. Make it your own. Make it fun. Make it what it is that you need it to be and not what other people expect it to be. So all your vision and things that you have in your mind, bring that to reality, and trust me, you will enjoy your day. But when you're still busy trying to please other people, you lose out on the important things and you're just riding through the wave, and those are not always the good thing. But once again, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. My name is Linda Gunner. Thank you. You can follow me on my website at www.lyndaperfect.creationsevents.com. Thank you and have an amazing day. Bye.